Imagine uncovering an ancient letter. You need to understand its true value. Today, we dive into source criticism. This vital method assesses historical sources' authenticity and reliability. Source criticism asks tough questions. It helps scholars gauge a source's historical accuracy. Think of it as detective work for historians. Firstly, let's explore external criticism. Is this source real? Has it been altered? Authenticity is key. Ask yourself, does it match what it claims to be? Next is internal criticism. Here, we scrutinize reliability. Who created the source? What was their intention? Understanding the author's background helps pinpoint biases. Then interpretation comes into play. What does the source convey? How does it connect with other evidence? Context enriches this understanding. Now, let's discuss evaluating primary sources. Who created it? What's their perspective? Knowing when and where enhances comprehension. Were they aiming for a specific audience? Next, examine the content. What assumptions does the source reflect? Consider its genre and form. Ask, what does it reveal about the society at that time? When it comes to reliability, question accuracy. Are there any biases? What information is missing? Comparing with other sources sheds light on this. What's the source's significance? What can be learned? Sources prompt new questions, expanding our knowledge further. Moving to secondary sources, ask about the author. What are their credentials? Authority matters in understanding their perspective. Next, look at the argument. What's their thesis? How well supported is it? Do they engage with primary sources? The scholarly context matters too. When was it published? What was the state of scholarship then? Understanding its influence reveals its weight. What about biases? What perspectives are included? Identifying limitations allows for a clearer view. Now, let's discuss practical strategies for reading sources effectively. First, read actively. Don't just skim. Engage by asking questions and taking notes. Contextual reading is crucial. Situate the source historically. What events shaped its creation? Comparative reading is also helpful. Compare the source to others. Do they align or contradict? This helps highlight important nuances. Always read critically. Don't take a source at face value. Identify biases and underlying assumptions. Lastly, read reflexively. Recognize how your own views shape your understanding of the source. In summary, source criticism is an essential tool for historians. It helps evaluate authenticity, reliability, and significance. Through careful questioning and critical reading, anyone can uncover historical truths. Now, join us in our next video. Let's explore practical exercises to apply this knowledge. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.